Hello guys, today we are going to see how to download SVI PROLOG. Let's get started. First open your browser, then type PROLOG. Then open the SVI PROLOG link we have here. Then go to downloads. Let's go for the stable version since we are not using it for development purposes. And here as we can see, we have Windows 64-bit operating system. So if you have a 32-bit, please feel free to use this, or like if you are using a Mac OS, you can use this. Since we are having a 64-bit Windows system, we are going to use this. I understand, and we are going to download this, and we are going to open it. And now, okay. This, if you give the first option, you have to manually add the path. If you give the second option, the path will be created by its own, so you don't have to create one. And this is for all users. This third option is for like just the current user, not for the other users. So we'll just go for creating with all users now. And this is the path. We then click next. And now after installing, let's click finish. So it should be installed. So let's type prolog, and here it is. So I'll just show you how to write a basic hello world program in this. Now we are going to write within quotes hello world, and by finishing it we place a dot and we place enter, and here we see like the output is displayed hello world. Thanks for watching guys.